Hey guys, another little update video on the VRS34. Yesterday's dyno day was moderately successful. Like most sort of new car setups, they never really produce the result you're really after on the first time out. But long story short, it held together and it made pretty reasonable power, but essentially injectors at 100% duty, while 1100cc injectors, that is, proved that I'm out of fuel pump. I did run it up to that level briefly, and I believe it was made a bit over 350 horsepower, but in the end I dialed it back to around 13 pounds of boost, and it's making a 346 to the tyres, so not a bad result all in all. A little bit of a bummer about all my video footage though is my GoPro, apparently my battery lasts about half a second when you hit the record button, and that was it. I only realised this part way through, well actually more like towards the end of the whole tuning session. So while I did work out that I can plug my laptop battery charger into the GoPro and get it to record with that, I ended up recording two runs, one on the GoPro and one on my phone from inside the car. So anyway, I'll tag them video clips on the end of this one, and you can listen to what a VRS34 through a 4-inch exhaust sounds like. Take it easy. Cheers.